The region's coral reefs, which contain around 70 species of coral and between 500 and 700 species of fish, have seen a rapid deterioration in the integrity of their ecosystems in recent years, and are considered particularly vulnerable to global war. The Caribbean islands have one of the most diverse ecosystems in the world. The region is considered a biological hotspot due to its exceptionally diverse terrestrial and marine ecosystems. The area also contains about 8%, by surface area, of the WAR.